Welcome to the slime Olympics. Today here I've got some squad mates, which are...
Hi, I'm Frida.
Hi, I'm Ava. Hi, I'm Josie. We've chosen 4 different slimes for the Slime Olympics.
The textures are cloud, clear, bingsu and butter.
And the points will get, first will get 5 points, second will get 3 points, third will get 2 points, and last will get 1 point. So these are the 4 slimes competing today. So shall we open them, guys?
Yeah. Ooh, copy.
Our first event is the stretch event, and we're going to see which slime is the stretchiest.
We're going to open the treasure chest and pick a ball out of it.
And inside the balls are the names of all the 4 slimes, and there's going to be a random pick so we don't know which one we're getting. 3, 2, 1, let's open it. Okay, I'm making this one. Which one have we got? Ooh. Penguin rock.
That's this one.
Yeah.
Marshmallow mermaid.
Splat attack. Top goes
Choose
the
this
one. Yeah.
I got the one that I actually
I'm
picked.
putting it back in the treasure chest. 3,
2, 1, stretch.
Oh, I think.
Oh, yours
Oh,
is stretched.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Frida, me and I'll stretch the farthest.
Oh, wow.
Oh, good job, Frida. But I think. Oh. Oop. Oh, I think Frida. I think you
It's
think.
better than last time, but
yeah.
I think I still good.
I think I came first. Ava came second. Frida came third, and Josie came fourth. That's what I think.
I think that's it. Yeah, me too.
Do you think that's it? So we all agree. I'm first, Ava second, Frida's third, and Josie is sadly fourth. Penguin Rock is first, and then second is
Splat attack.
third is Mermaid Market.
And 4th is Pop Goes the Weasel.
The points are 5 points, 3 points, 2 points, and 1 point. Sadly.
Good
See you
luck.
in the next
Good
round.
luck all to the slimes to the next round.
Welcome to the slime Olympics. I thought the first bit.
I thought April was going first. Shall we? I forgot.
Oh, mine's really far.